Welcome to 1910 Barker Pass Road in Montecito, California. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home provides a feeling of privacy inside and out, with views that overlook the private backyard and out toward the ocean. This home features plenty of kitchen counter space and spacious pantries, a large family room with balcony patio, abundant storage closets, a light-filled indoor laundry room, and beautiful master suite with ocean views. Bask in sunshine or stroll among the olive grove with rosemary and boxwood hedges. Enjoy privacy and panoramic views from the perched gazebo and multiple sitting areas to relax and take in the views. Enjoy a vacation-like feel with the convenience of easy access to downtown entertainment, shopping, and dining. 1910 Barker Pass Road. Welcome home.